A very, very, very happy Thanksgiving Day to you. Happy Thanksgiving to you, coming from Nairobi, Kenya, GOA International Headquarters. I am very, very thankful for the way that the Lord enabled me to come to the United States and the reception that I received, all the great things that the Lord has done. Thank you for your hospitality. Very grateful for anybody who took child sponsorships. I am very, very grateful for many things. I was able to go to 3 states. Thank you on this Thanksgiving Day. May the Lord bless you. Words cannot express my gratitude, but eternity will reveal it all, how grateful that we are. And thank you and happy Thanksgiving Day. God bless you.
Thank you so much to all our friends and partners from the United States. And on this Thanksgiving Day, we just want to say thank you so much for your support. Through your support, we've been able to reach some of the most remote areas here in Kenya with the gospel. Some of the tribes that at one time did not know anything about Jesus, today they know. So today, GOA teams have been able to reach the Maasai people. The GOA teams have been able to reach the Samburu people. GOA teams have been able to reach the Turkana people on the far north of Kenya, and we want to say thank you so much. And so, on this particular day, we want to say happy Thanksgiving to you all.
My Thanksgiving goes to all the people who have helped us train leaders in Africa. We have trained many people because of your giving, because of your resources, and so many others who supported GOA Murera. We have been constructing the church, and we have received with appreciation your gifts and your donations. Thank you to all our partners in leadership training and to all our partners in the construction of GOA Murera. God bless you. Happy Thanksgiving.
So thank you so much for all of you that stand with us, especially in the sports department and in looking for the less privileged. May God bless you and happy Thanksgiving Day.
In the peace department, we have really appreciated all you have done for us through prayers, through giving, and we want to wish you the best. Thank you. God bless you. Have a very peaceful day.
Thank you very much to all our partners for supporting the compassion department and supported them in all their basic needs. I'm surely grateful for what you have done. May God bless you and keep you. Thank you very much.
We really want to let you know that we love you, we celebrate you, and we are thankful for you and for the partnership that we have enjoyed.
And we wish you a happy day, a peaceful day, and a day full of gladness. We are very thankful for everything you do for GOA. Happy Thanksgiving Day to you.
Through your partnership in Compassion Department, you have able to impact lives.
Your visit and your financial support, it is highly appreciated. We value you, we treasure you, and we appreciate all the effort that you make. I want to wish you well and have a happy Thanksgiving Day and enjoy your day as well. Thank you.